Hello and welcome to GFF Gordon.Freeman.Forever. We're going to be playing some Rolblox today, and we are going to be playing the PC version, and it is still freezing because I'm recording this right after the previous video of me playing. What was I playing? It was Maximum Action, I think. It was a bit ago, but I just finished. Well, I didn't just finish, but I finished recording that. So, and it's still freezing. It's gone up like 3 degrees, so it's like 11 degrees Celsius. If you're living, then you still know that I'm freezing over here. So, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build a battering ram. She's building a boat simulator, so. Okay, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I got 3 left. So let me reinforce this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I can't reach here without zooming out. Okay, there, and there. There we go. I'm gonna build like a battering ram. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna go like this. Like that. And like that. And like that. Nope. Okay, there we go. And then like that. There we go. And there we go. There we go. And there we go. And there we go. There we go. And there we go. There we go. Okay, 1. Get rid of that. Let's put that there. Okay. There. So, now, carry on with this. Just with this course of action. See, and then it looks like this, but... And I did use my wood at the back, so that's the worst material you can use, so I used it at the back where it's going to get the least amount of damage. I definitely haven't got enough blocks to win yet, but I do have enough to get some points. So move forward. Okay, my game's just glitching out a bit. So like that, like that. I need to go 1, get rid of that and get rid of that. 2, go like that and then like that. Nope, 1 again. Get rid of that. 2, take that out and take that. Put it there. So, see what else I can put here. I've got 3 of these, so I'll just use this for. I'll use that for the front. So 4 of these. So now we go like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. How do I have -1? Okay, let's put this here for now. Okay, so actually I need to get rid of that. Take 2, go like that. Okay, there. Put 1 in the middle, go like that. go like that, go like that, go like that, go like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Do I have this? I have. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and make myself a nice little canopy when I eventually get flipped over. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we go like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So I need to leave 4 of them. I'm going to go like this, 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 that, that, that. One, two. Yeah, I need to delete at least one block, or at least a block or two, so that I can get out if I make it to the end. Because I was watching a video and someone made it to the end, and then they didn't manage to get out because they blocked themselves inside. So I'll say I'll need 6 more pieces in this arsenal. So we go like this. So leave 6. 2, 3, 4. So I have 6 more to use. So like this. It's very hard to see what you are doing. And 6. So let's see. What else can I put on? So now we're going to put this on. So 1 in this, then 1 in the center and 1 on the side. Then we are going to start placing stuff at the front here so that it can make it. So there. 2 of these can go in there. Okay, so like that, like that, like that, like that, like that, 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 and that. Just for good measure, if someone wants to spend time with me, I'm going to go and put a bench right here. I know those cannot be sat on, but I'm going to put 2 torches right here. Okay, I got 3 of these, so same strategy. Go 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Okay, zoom out. We are going to take one of these, put them in the center where there's not as much protection. There's a thruster. No, not taking that. We are going to go over here and put the cannons in the front with our pod so that we can shoot. These guys I will put as protection for the back. So there and there. Then I will put my button and all. Let me just put all my stuff on here now. Okay, just as something to give me protection. So that I'll put there. 1 of these. Now that can go here. Nope. 1, delete that. 2, place it there. Now, these thrusters I've not used these, so I'm just going to place it over here close to the chair. And that I'm going to pick up that button and take it in case, because I think that works with faster. Pick up the button. 2. Okay. Let's check. So button. I'll test it when I'm in the water. So, what else do I have to push down? I will put down a door in the back so that I can get in and out of my creation successfully. I'll put some seats in the front just to give some protection. So, there, and no, I want to get out of the seat. There. Okay, and then, yeah, just this, and I'll put that sensor here also. What's going on? I keep on jumping into the seats. Okay, put this back there. Okay. So let's put my seat in and all that jazz. I need to be able to get into the thing. There. Okay. So we want to put it right there. We want to put the motor right here because, okay, yes, and then we go like this and we are going to build ourselves in. So we go like this. Okay, 1. Now I want to go here. 1 and 2. Oh, I'm out. Thought I had 1 left. Okay, you can see the motor running there. When I press WASD, turns me. So, that's a piston. I forgot about that. Okay, well, okay. Let's go, I guess. Yep. I'm gonna go first. I don't know which way the boat is supposed to be going. Okay. So this motor does allow you to turn, though I think it's very slow because I am extremely long. Oh, come on, buddy. Okay, really? Let's just get going. Yeah, that's what you get, buddy. I've clicked on the cannon, so it should give me the ability to shoot the cannons. Okay, yeah. Okay, do not shoot cannons. Do not shoot cannons. They are eating my own ship. Come on. Come on. Try and weave your way through here. Oh no. Not good. Let me just say that. Not good. Okay. Not doing horribly, but not doing amazingly. Oh no. No. Okay, those are big rocks. Trying to avoid big rocks, but not really helping. Oh no. Let's try and weave our way through here. Please don't let one of those things land on me. If you didn't know those things, well, definitely. If it lands directly on you, it'll kill you. So that's why you want the roof, but okay. That front section's looking a bit damaged. Yeah, that's a good way to go. Oh no. As long as I don't get flipped over or anything, I should be... What am I eating? Oh, come on. As soon as I get out there, I get into that, and I cannot see where that is. Okay. Avoid some of these guys. Okay. Oh, come on. I went directly into stuff. I cannot see. Oh, no. Oh, my. That guy's back. Those guys with their sisters are back. I'm not in the ocean anymore. What is that guy doing? Please, let one of the guys just flip me over. So I'm kind of exposed, if you haven't noticed. Wait a second, I'm kind of able to turn. I'm still able to control myself somehow. Come on, get me through here, because those cannons are deadly. Break that thing quickly, please. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. What's this side? Oh no, this is a side where it lowers and rises, and you're taking constant damage. Please take it in the front, not in the back. Not in the back. Oh, come on. I lost my motor also. There's a chest there. I don't think I'll risk it. Oh, come on. Really? Taking damage? How? Okay, that would explain it. Come on, get me through it quickly. Don't lower. Don't lower. Don't lower. Okay. Good enough. Just turn me the other way, so that the side that isn't completely damaged is not killing me. Come on, come on. Okay, my seat has dropped down. This is very dangerous, so don't try this at home, kids. Okay, I'm dead. Yep. Got 60 gold. Good enough. Okay. Here's what I might do. I'm just going to do a strategy that I have learned. I don't know if it will work, but the blob from Jerome ASF. Copyrighted. It's never. So we just take all of our random blocks, drop it down. We sit here, put our chair here, jump in the chair, okay. Then we just go through all our random blocks. So we go now. Something that I learned from them is if you don't take enough damage, you will get stuck in here. So I'm going to put a door right here, which will be my exit strategy. So now we go put all of our blocks around here. Got 19 of these. Well, let's plop it down all over here. Okay, let's go like this. Let's see, what can I do? I can put some over here to cover me. That is still accessible though, so it is good. So fill up here. Let us go like this. Okay. And now we just put our random stuff at the front. As long as nobody comes and rams into me anymore, I should be fine. I'm looking at whoever rammed into me before now. A bench. Put some of these guys. Let's put some of these bad boys. Maybe some chairs at the front if anyone wants to join with. Some torches to liven up the place. Let's see. Cannons I'll take. A thruster, but I have no clue how the thing works, so I'm just gonna put it over here. An engine for steering. A lovely chair for someone to sit on. A piston. And one of these bad boys. Oh, that's connected to one of those chairs. Okay, well, let's go. Final attempt. Let's go. Come on. Okay, I don't know whether the thruster is doing anything. The chair, that thing isn't even connected. It's connected to that seat. What? Okay. Do I? Oh, so that's what the thruster does. Well, it would be nice if I was facing the right way. Okay. Guessing that there's a cooldown and stuff. Okay. So what season is it wherever you guys live? Yeah, where I live, it's winter. My hands are numb, and I'm still sitting here playing Rolblox for like 3 people. Now, everybody that says you want to be friends, I have no clue what you mean. Do you mean like play games? Do you mean like friends or what? Hey, do you want to play like COD with me or what? I don't know. Something. Hey, I got some great games. What do I have? But Fallout New Vegas. I think that's multiplayer. Fear 2. It's got multiplayer. It's really fun multiplayer. So I seem to be doing okay. I don't think that I think it is on a cooldown net. Just okay, so that is not a good idea. So I'll just leave that extended. Maybe it'll take some impacts for me. I don't know why that engine or motor or whatever connected to this seat. Oh, because these things can't control. Okay, now I know. Not. Where did you get my idea? You got my idea. What is that thing? That thing. Well, this guy's looking good. What is going on with that guy? He's dead. At least he can make it to my ship, but yeah, he is dead. Well, we're in the crystal caverns. from? Oh, it's from the Scooby-Doo thing. Oh, yeah, watch Scooby-Doo when I was young. Right? And which series was it? Scooby-Doo Get a Clue, which was, well, horrible. Watch new Scooby-Doo, Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? That was mine. And I love that show. It was my favorite show as a child. And with old Flintstone and stuff. Yeah, in those shows were still showing, and the DuckTales and stuff. Those shows were still showing until like 2015. So they had a long, long life. So, getting decently far here. Okay, Candyland. Now, here's the thing. Let me check if this is still recording. Okay, it is still recording. I don't know whether that's going to pop up what else my recording software, but yeah. Sorry for frame rate, by the way. No, it isn't popping up. I'm checking now. Yeah. Maybe the resolution is a bit bad. This is in windowed mode. I'm seeing it as a window. You're not seeing it as a window. Oh no, the tornado place. Okay. If I'm correct, my chair just fell off. Just broke off. Nope. Get me back on there. Okay, I got in this chair. With such little health. Yeah, this is going to be big enough that I get. This is going to be small enough that I get picked up by that. Lightning strikes really on me now. Look at this thing. It's falling apart, not plot. Yeah, it's falling apart, plot, more plop. Have you ever watched Poor Plot, More Prop? Oh no. That guy is going out now. So that means that these guys are going to focus on me. Okay, this isn't going well. Just waiting for some cannons to shoot me. Yep. 53 gold. Pretty good. So let's see what the shop is like. Let's see what it's got there. Okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. Okay. So shop. Let's see what I can just get. Let me just check. For 450, I can get the beast crate here, but I'm not gonna do that. Let's see what I can get. Now you can get a jetpack. Oh, just let us see. Jetpack 350. I think that's a one-time use, but you will get to the end with that. It's 350. I'll take it when I get enough. But from all of us here at GFF, stay safe, stay home, and stay beautiful.